up, team? It's Sierra B Naturally, and in today's video, as you can see, we jumped right on into this thing. I am doing the mini twists with extensions, you guys. I'm so excited to be doing this because I love mini twists, but I have never done them with extensions, and so this is taking my style to the next level. And I did them fresh after wash day, and I didn't even get organized first. I just went right on into it. So I'm struggling a little bit here, just trying to keep the hair separated. And then later on in the video, you'll see where I got organized and I actually detangled my hair ahead of time before I begin going through and adding more hair. But right now, I'm just showing you how to do this, okay? There are several different ways to add this hair in. I did most of these with adding a little bit of a braid at the top, and so that's what I'm showing you here. I was going to try and do a knotless braid for these, but as I got going, I was like, if I could just get it in here, it don't really matter if it's a knot at the top or not. I just want it to be secure enough. So I went ahead and started with just a regular old braid with the extension hair from the beginning, and that helped me to create kind of an anchor. And as I'm going down a little bit, I'm adding some product. I'll show you guys what I'm adding here in just a second. But yeah, so I'll get down a little bit, and then I went ahead and turned that into a twist, and that worked out for me. At this point, I just realized that this hair has kind of a mind of its own, so it's just gonna do what it wants to do anyway. So I didn't feel like stressing myself out about trying to make the perfect twist. Okay, I just cut them at the ends, coiled them, and there you have it. They look good. So yeah, so I am adding into my hair as I'm twisting a hair butter. As you can see, it's kind of like yellowish. That's what you can see in my hair. I got this hair butter from Blessed and Healthy Temple. I'll put a picture up there, and her products will be linked in my description. Later on in the video, I will also be using her oil. I absolutely love her products, and they are helping me so much this month of September during the time of filming. This was September, but yeah, helping me so much to keep my hair moisturized, and I feel like my hair has grown, so I can't wait to show you guys my results once I do my next blowout. But yeah, so I'm showing you guys again, and I'm just doing that same kind of anchor braid method. I would say if you do this method, make sure that all of the hair is out of the way, because you can see it's kind of leaning over, so I was struggling trying to keep the hair separated. But yeah, as you go, the more you do it, the more you practice, the faster you'll get, the better you'll be able to move through your hair. So definitely something you can do on your own without breaking the bank. Okay, honey? But yeah, so as I got down to the point where my hair was coming to an end, I split my hair in half and just went ahead and blended it in with the extensions, and it blended so beautifully. And so it's looking really good at this point. So this is where I said, I gotta get organized. So I went in and put my hair in sections. I thoroughly detangled each section, and then it was a lot easier to continue to proceed with success. So I would highly recommend doing that before you even get started, so that you don't have to worry about trying to detangle as you are adding in the extensions as well. It's already a lot going on, okay? But yeah, so this is where I'm at. I got the whole back done. Feeling real good, a little over the halfway mark, because I have more hair in the back than I do at the top, so yay. But yeah, these are looking really good. At this point, it's getting late. I'm tired, but I'm trying to press through. Ultimately, I'm gonna have to end up going to bed and trying it again the next day because it was getting late. But yeah, I went ahead and got that other side done, and so now all I have is this little corner. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited because I am done. I'm done. Yes. Oh my gosh, this took like 6 to 8 hours, like give or take, because yeah, I got kids. But anywho, I'm so happy, y'all. And I'm not feeling good, but I had to call on the Lord this morning, and I just asked for grace and mercy and to help me, because I knew I was going to be weak today because I'm not feeling good. I didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night because I was up doing this. The first 4 hours was like yesterday, and then I finished the rest of it today after my 8-hour shift of work. Okay. And all the pickups and the drop-offs and all that good stuff. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now, so I'm speaking quietly because 1, I don't feel good, and 2, my kids are asleep. So anywho, let me reveal my hair to y'all so I can go to bed, y'all, because I'm tired. Even though I'm smiling because I'm happy and I'm grateful that I made it through this. But I'm so tired. I need to get some rest. So Y'all pray for me so I can feel better. But anywho, look, y'all. These turned out so cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I did my edges with the edge booster. You know, I've been rocking with that. Very nice. The front parts are definitely more clean than the back parts. So that's that. But yeah, guys, they turned out so pretty. This hair is lightweight, it is flexible, and it matches my hair really, really well. It's two-toned already, so my hair is like the, obviously the darker, close to black, darker brown, and then it already has some of that dark same color as my hair in it anyway, and then it kind of faded into this like brown color. But so cute. It looks so natural. Here's the back. I can't say the back looked as good as the front, but we're gonna check it out. Here's some of the parts in the back. So the back, like I said, I did the back yesterday, and so the back has had time to kind of dry a bit. The front is, so I didn't really start on wet hair anyway. It was kind of damp, but yeah, I did kind of do a little face framing. So I kind of cut here. Honestly, I kind of wish I didn't cut here because the pieces, the longer pieces, allow me to pull it all back into a ponytail. So now when I pull it back into a ponytail, those front pieces are popping. So I may go back and kind of, you know, as the style gets older, I may swap these out for some longer pieces so I can have the full length and pull it all back. But in the meantime, it's giving, y'all. It's giving. I'm loving it. So many styles that come to mind I could do with these. But yes, guys, so stay tuned for the videos. I'm going to be doing the mini twist styles and claw clip and all the good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off with my Blessed and Healthy Temple oil here. And I did put a little bit on as I was going, but I like to apply it to my parts. So now that I got all my parts in, I'm just going to go and apply a little to each square as best I can. This oil is amazing. It's made of all natural oils, and it's excellent for hair growth. Using all Blessed and Healthy Temple products this month. So you guys, I will put the information if you guys want to get some oil from our sister. It is woman owned, black owned, all that good stuff. So yeah, and it's faith based. Blessed and Healthy Temple. Yes, yes. So anyway, let me go ahead and just apply. I had discovered several different ways to install these as I was going. So child, some of these is started with a braid. Some of them it started with my own twist and then a feed-in. Some of them have a twist in addition to the extension altogether. So honestly, at the end of the day, as long as you get them in and they can stay, like, I don't think it matters too much, because honestly my hair is going to start growing, hopefully, Lord's will, and pretty soon you ain't going to really see the parts, like you ain't going to really be able to see anyway, so, but yeah guys, so that's that, and then I'm going to finish off with a little bit of mousse, just a little bit of mousse, because why not, right? Just a little, and then I'm going to actually oil my twist a little too, just a little squeeze here and there. But this hair is amazing. Even when I was going through it and where it seemed like it was getting tangled, like it just untangled so well. I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. You saw at the beginning what kind of hair I use. So if you need to go back and do some screenshots or what have you, definitely feel free to do so. So I plan on keeping these in. Initially, I was going to keep them in for 2 weeks, but I got to doing them and they got to looking real good. I was like, okay, wait a minute. Maybe, maybe we could do this for, maybe the month. Maybe for a month. Because I like to do a monthly blowout. So I was going to do like a blowout October 1st. But I don't know. We'll see, y'all. We'll see how long these want to stay in. But look at that side part. Oop. That's cute. Initially, I was going for a side part, but then as I was going, I was like, oh, let me see about the middle part. And the middle part was cute. But this side part is giving. It's a little white right now because of that mousse, but it's giving. And I like how, like, ununiform they are. These just have a mind of their own. They're just giving body. They're giving natural. Like, these twists, like, this look like my hair. Like, it really does. Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Hey, we could do a deep side part as well. As they get a little more looser, they'll become more flexible, obviously. But yeah, the deep side. This one don't want to stay. This one said, "Girl, no." But yeah, come on, deep side part. Get in there. But you look a little closer. You can kind of see the colors. Well, I really like the deep side part. Let's try the other side. So they're a little stiff because they just got done, but oh, that side is cute too. Yeah, I'm really, really proud of myself, you guys, that I pushed through and got this done. So it just goes to show when you put your mind to something, you can get it done. Yeah, but I think it's so, so cute, so pretty, so lightweight. And I'm going to go ahead and tie this up so I can get ready for bed. But yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Pray me through that I can feel better. I don't know if it's like a little cold, something done jumped on me, but I rebuke it in the name of Jesus, okay? Because I am healthy and whole and healed in Jesus' name, okay? Anywho, I hope you have an amazing night. I'm Tierra B, and I am out. Blessings!